Hello, welcome to our problem set and finding the directions using Pythagorean theorem. With its concept, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Now, if we try to recall, you can use the sides of a right triangle that involves a 90-degree angle and the sides that is adjacent to 90 degree are what we called legs. The leg 1 and leg 2. These legs can be identified to as leg 1 that represents the A and leg 2 is a representation of B. Legs representation can be interchanged. It's either leg 1 is B or leg 1B is A. It is interchangeable because it is an additional format, but the indifference of this triangle is the C side because it is directly the long legs, which is called the hypotenuse. In order to identify the hypotenuse, you need to sum the A and B. And don't forget to put a squared on a letter C on the hypotenuse because it is the formula C is equal to the square root of the A squared plus B squared.
Now let us discuss the sample problem. Chris traveled 16 km west, then went another 20 km south. By the end of the journey, how far was he from where he started? Notice the direction below, the north, east, south, and west direction in figure 1. To simplify the sample problem's direction, observe the figure 2, where we can see the 90-degree angle at a west to south direction. We have 16 km to west and 20 km to south. To identify of how far did Chris travel from west to south, we will measure the hypotenuse. We will use the formula c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Here we will write the value of c squared as x squared to know its value, or the hypotenuse. Now, a squared is 16 km or 16 squared. B squared the 20 km or 20 squared. Copy the x squared equals 16 times 16. We will have 256 and 20 times 20 is 400. Then we will have 656. And by following the formula, let's identify the square root of 656 to crush out the squared sign on the x squared. There we have 25.6. Finally, we got the exact kilometer of how far did Chris travel from west to south. Thank you.